Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP tip 57. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can easily compare two ABAP objects within the system or across different SAP systems. So therefore there's a great transaction that you can use to fulfill this requirement, and this is the transaction SE39. Once you've entered this transaction code in here, then you will open up the ABAP Splitscreen editor, and in here basically you can specify first of all the ABAP object, in this case a program, that should be shown on the left hand side of your screen. And down here you can specify the program that should be shown on the right hand side. You can also specify what kind of status you would like to choose for comparison. Do you would like to use the active version, the last active version, or the current inactive version? So this you can also specify, or the default, the current version. So what you would like to do. Within here, as mentioned, you can compare programs, functions, classes, interfaces, and type groups. And here, first of all, if you opened up the ABAP Splitscreen editor, so the SE39, then you can compare ABAP objects within the same SAP system. And if you would like to compare these objects across two systems, then you have to click on compare different systems. And then in here, you can specify the RFC destination to compare basically this program on the current SAP system where you're logged in, and the program on the right hand side on the other SAP system where you have an RFC destination. So within here you can specify it. So within here I would like to compare these two tables on the current system. So therefore here just default, this is fine, and go to display. First time that you've opened up the ABAP Splitscreen editor, basically you have two ABAP editors next to each other. So as you can see in here and also in here, you have this button for calling up the ABAP editor options. So this is fine in here. And yeah, basically here you can also see what kind of version is being used, so the active or the inactive version. And in here, if you want to, as in the ABAP editor, you can also go to the edit mode to make some changes in here. You can put up enhancements, you can do a syntax check, activate it, and so on. So there you have a lot of possibilities to do so. And to basically compare these two ABAP objects, you have to click on this button, comparison on, or use the key combination Control and F4. And once you've done this, then basically these two sources will be compared. And here on the left hand side of each editor, you can see an icon where the program is within this line not the same, so there's a difference. And you can move to the next difference or the next equal line via these four buttons basically. So here if I'm clicking there, then I will move here to line 19 because there's the next difference. If I'm clicking to 20, and then here there's no difference down below, and if I would go up, then I can do this, and then both screens and both editors are synchronously moving up. And here you can do the same for the same line, and here you can easily see what are the differences. And yeah, this is a great chance to get really quickly an overview of two objects for the differences. And if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections. Please like this video and please subscribe this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 43 great videos left about ABAP tips and tricks, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.